Okay, this video tutorial is about disaggregating your survey data. So if you haven't finished collecting your data yet, you need to stop and do that first. I'll wait. Just press pause. Once you've got your data, what you want to do is you want to disaggregate it, meaning you want to break it down so that you know how many survey respondents from each of your groups responded according to each of your different response types. The best way to do that is to just make a tally table that you can work with. So I'm going to make a table real quick. And I already know that I need to have 6 columns in my table and 9 rows. Now your table might be different based on your data. Okay. Oh. Okay, there we go, finally. Alright, that looks good. So I know, or maybe you remember, maybe you don't, but the survey that I'm using as an example is about favorite fast food restaurant. So there we go. Favorite fast food restaurant. That's a little big. Let's shrink that down. Alright. So we surveyed freshmen, sophomores, juniors, seniors, and of course we'll need to know what the total was. All right. There we go. All right, so the responses included Wendy's, Taco Bell, McDonald's, Cane's, Subway. Okay, let's undo that. Also Burger King. And Rallies. And of course we'll need to be able to find totals. Okay, there we go. So once you have the table set up, basically you just want to go through your data and start reading each person's response and then tallying that data. So I would look at my data and I would see, okay, I've got a senior that responded that their favorite was Wendy's. So I make a tally mark. Alright, and then I look at the next response and I see, oh, here's a sophomore that liked Taco Bell. So I make a tally mark. And then I keep looking. Alright, here's a freshman that liked Cane's. And here's a junior that liked Subway. Subway. And here's a sophomore that liked Burger King. Alright. Another senior that liked Wendy's. Here's a senior that liked McDonald's. Okay, and basically what you'll do is you'll go through your entire list of data and accounting for each person's response in your table with a tally mark. Okay, and this is just something that you can do with pencil and paper. Basically, all you want to do is take all of your data and organize it so that you can go on to the next step. So once you're finished with all your tally marks, that's when we'll need to talk about the next step.